And there it is, and of course, I'm very excited. Available right now. There's on euro prices. You can switch to dollars, pounds, whatever currency. Let's stick with euros. The least expensive one for the Pro model is 857 euros. The most expensive is 1,000. That's okay. That's okay, I guess. 700 for the regular version, and the most expensive 700 is 8. So that's not a huge difference, just 150 euros. That's great. Oh, cool. All right, but let me show you the official site. Unfortunately, official site is blocked to translate. Good people from China did something to that site, and Google Translation won't work. It will cut the half of the screen. So you won't see the half of the screen with Google Translation. I'm not sure what they did, but that's tricky. Anyway, latest Snapdragon 8 Elite, 5,400 mAh, 90 watt wire, 50 watt wireless charging, 3,200 nits, that's for the regular version, IP68 water and dust resistance, of course, latest and greatest Android. That's the design, looks awesome, dimensions, really quick. Let's continue. Wow, check out this one. I like this one. I would love to buy this one. If this is not a limited edition, I would love to take this one. This is a like Silver Sever. Did you see that character in the cartoon and on surfing through space? I think that's cool. Anyway, there are a couple of more colors: white, black, which is not boring. Anyway, mint, okay, and blue, light blue. But I think the most popular will be this one. I mean, it's super awesome. It looks. Damn, I wish more companies would do such colors. Oh, diamonds. That's the limited edition with diamonds. It's maybe for the girls. Anyway, display. All right, 460 ppi. Let's continue. And latest Snapdragon, which is 45% more powerful. That is super cool. Latest cooling. All right. A bit of battery. Check out the cameras. Impressive. Okay, that's charging. All right. And that's the cameras. 23 millimeters with the latest Light Hunter 900. We already seen this sensor in the different smartphones, but it's very powerful and extremely great. I must say, it's great. And the lens is 1.62, which is very bright. 60 millimeters, which means telephoto is 2.0, and 40 millimeters, which is wide angle, is on 2.2 with electronic image stabilization, and the rest is optical image stabilization. Great. Let's continue really quick. I don't want to bore you too much. But this is the regular version. If we switch, can we switch to the Pro version? Oops. Can we switch very quickly? We do have a Pro. Those are the prices in China, directly to China. Oh, there's also a Civic 4. Okay, Pro. Let me give it to me. I would love to translate the site for you, but I'm not able to do it. Can we, okay, similar colors, but can we see the size instead, not the price? We cannot. So it is what it is. Let me hit the trading Shenzhen. Like you can see, it's pre-sale, shipping after 10 of the November, but this is a Pro version. The regular version is available, at least there's no info that it's not available, so most likely it is available right now. So you can pay with PayPal, Bitcoin, Visa, Google Pay, Apple Pay, all kinds of payments. No additional cost. Let's hit the Pro version. Let's see the specs. Snapdragon 8 Elite. So same processor. Light Hunter is same sensor, but a brighter lens. That's the difference. The sensor is the same, but the lens is bright, like in the cameras. You see, because there's a sensor, and on the sensor is a glass. And with a Pro version, we have a brighter glass, 1.44. That's very bright. That's one of the brightest in the market. Maybe even the brightest. 144. That's unusual. Optical image stabilization, and the ultra wide angle is 2.2, so a bit darker, and the telephoto is 2.5 with optical image stabilization, and it's great, so it won't shake when you zoom. Dolby Vision, beautiful display. Big battery, 6,100 mAh battery with 90 watt charging, supercharging, 50 watt wireless, and 10 watt reverse charging. Wireless charging NFC, and it's compatible with all kinds of network, all of them. Nothing is limited here. Nothing. N20, B20 for the Central Europe where I am. Check out your network. I think that it has it all. Literally all. And there you go. There you go. Link in the description. We can choose silver. Oh, I will love silver. Silver is the way to go. Is it more expensive than the regular version? Ah, it's out of stock. God damn it. White. Yeah, silver is a bit more expensive. But I think silver is the way to go. Everyone bought the silver one, most likely. It looks sick. The silver one is on pre-sale. No, okay. All right. But there you go. Link in the description for you. You can change the currency. Remember that. You can change for US dollars if you wanted to. You can change whatever your currency. You can even pay with Bitcoins, Ethereum, Dogecoin, USDT, USDC, stablecoins. That's what they do here. They have all kinds of payments, and they deliver very quickly. Most likely in 10 days. I've bought insane amount of stuff from them, and I was never disappointed. Never. Always a fantastic experience. At the moment, you can see me from the latest Vivo X200 Pro, which is also super cool from with Android 15. Review coming soon, and the camera test coming soon. That's all I have. See you next video. Xiaomi 15 coming soon also. See you next video. Bye.